So I'm actually going to the Ford dealership to grab that piece that I couldn't grab last time. I'm gonna grab that, and then I'm gonna go to back to the body shop and give it to the guy, and that way he can put it on the bumper and put everything back together. I'm not sure if they're gonna be almost like done with the car or what. Like maybe I'll even get my car today. Who knows how fast they can do it, but I'm excited. So let's get another update. We're gonna go back to the body shop, give them the piece, and hopefully I'm gonna try and record what's all done to the Mustang and go from there. So let's go to Ford real quick. Actually, let's get a nasty cold start from this Ford Focus real quick. Alright, we made it to the Ford dealership. Let's go grab the piece real quick and let's get out of here. Alright, we got the piece. It was a lot longer than I thought, but whatever. Alright, let's head on over to the body shop. Alright, here we go. My car is in the front of the shop, so I don't know what's going on, but my spoiler and everything looks like it's already on there. Oh my gosh, my car is sitting right there. Is it done? Is it freaking done? I better not have bought this for nothing. I freaking swear. Alright, let's go find out what's going on. Alright, first glance. Dang, bro. Looks good. Alright, let's go talk to that guy real quick.
Basically smoothed it out.
Wait, which part?
Remember when you bent the wheel left?
Oh, that's right, that's right, that's right.
Look at how nice.
Yeah, it's flat now.
Did that. It's the same as it was.
Yeah.
Just flattened it out.
No, it looks really good. You could definitely tell the difference though, like right there.
Polish that door. It'll look like that quarter.
Really?
Yes.
Do you have any recommendations of how I can fix all of that, or no? I'd have to paint the whole bumper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take it off the car just like we did, and then repair it, paint it.
That's what I figured.
A lot to do.
So it's done though, or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're free.
Sweet. Yeah, it looks so good. I was kind of scared that the spoiler was going to be a little bit like bent. Like right here, I thought it was. I thought the trunk hit it up a little bit, but it looks fine.
Right on the money. It's perfect. By replacing that panel is what did it.
Yeah. No, it looks really good. Actually, it's more flat because I remember on the other bumper there was like a huge gap, like right there between the spoiler. This is like,
It's right on the money.
yeah, it's perfect. Looks really good.
Yeah.
Oh, so you guys did paint down here.
Check that out.
I like that a lot.
That's good. I said, Brian, what are you doing? He goes, "That's what the man wanted." I said, all right, give
Yeah.
what he wants.
No, I love that. That's sweet. That's actually what I wanted. Sweet.
Perfect.
Heck yeah. No, it looks really good.
Get your baby back.
Right? Oh my gosh.
You'd never know it.
Right? Dang. So, do you recommend how long I should, like, wait to actually drive it? Like, how long I should let it dry and all that?
It's done.
Oh, so I
You
can just...
go through a car wash, you can wax
Oh,
it.
so I'm good?
You're good.
Oh, wow.
See, what we do after it's painted, we bake it. So it's as though this paint is 6 months old.
Whoa.
So you can polish it, wash it.
Oh, so I can just do anything right now.
You want to do. Run
Oh,
through a
wow.
Car wash, who cares?
Sweet. Heck yeah. Dang, if I would have known. Alright, so I can't pick the car up because I have a job interview real quick for an internship, but car is done and it looks fantastic. So let's go to the interview, let's get dressed and come back and pick this thing up. I did buy this for nothing though. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to see if Ford will take it back, but I don't know. It was $100 freaking. But I'm excited, y'all. The car looks so good. And what they did was the piece that I have right there, what they just went ahead and did was just reuse what was there, and then they just fixed it up and reused the one that was on there. So I wish you would have told me that so I didn't have to buy this piece of crap. Saved me $100. But everything looks good. I'm really excited. Everything looks good. I can't wait to drive it. I haven't driven the car in like 2 weeks. Like I can't even speak how excited I am, and it looks so good. On the bumper, I wanted them to paint it on the side like that. On the GT500 bumpers, well, not GT500 bumpers, but the GT500 bumper, on the bottom part where the splitter or the diffuser is, I guess, that whole section is not painted. It's just the texture part. The California Special, however, they paint the side of the bumper and not the middle part, where they just leave it as the texture. And they did it how you paint the California Special, which I really wanted because that's how my other bumper was painted too, and it looks so good. Like the car looks really good. I just, oh man, now I need to paint the whole car because the front does not match at all. The rear looks fantastic. All right, I'm gonna stop talking now, and then we'll go pick up the car after this. Am I even a YouTuber, bro?
I don't even know anymore.
All right, guys, so I just got back with my interview, and I had to pick up Muhammad, so somebody has this car to drive back. We are now heading on to the body shop, which is right over there. We're gonna grab my car, and we have to go back to Ford because, you know, we don't need that box anymore. So I'm gonna try and send that back, get my money back. Hopefully they'll take it. I'm gonna be pissed if they don't, but the car looks good. Muhammad, the car's right there, bro. You see it?
No.
It's right there.
There it is, yeah.
Oh, wrong one. Skirt. Dang, whose car is that, son?
It looks like they cleaned it too.
I think they did.
Looks good. Well, I guess they'd have to.
Yeah. No. I'm not dropping that off till tomorrow. Alright guys, so this is it. New rear end. We're back in action, baby. I haven't driven my car in so long. Let's start it. Oh my gosh. It smells like paint in here. Holy cow. We're back, baby. Oh my gosh, I've never been so excited in my entire life. I want to wash my car so bad right now. I want to do like a full detail wash, like polish, wax, clay bar it even. That way it doesn't look too bad on the sides. Like you can kind of see the difference in color, like on the door right here versus like the fresh paint. Obviously it's going to be a little bit faded, so hopefully that when I polish it and clean it up a little bit, everything like kind of blends in a little bit. I don't know, but I'm excited. So stoked that it's finally finished. We got to go back to Ford real quick and grab the see if they'll take that thing back, but we're back, baby. Alrighty guys, so I'm back home. Car is sitting right there. It is absolutely awesome. You guys have no idea how excited I am that it's finally fixed. It's been like 3 months ever since the wreck, and everything looks good now. I am going to try and see how much a paint job is going to cost for the whole thing, but we'll see what happens. But as far as the bumper and everything looks so good. Everything's back to how it was. Looks so good, and the spoiler looks a lot more flush now, and it looks so much better. But yeah guys, it was today's been such a great day. I had an internship, got my car back and everything's looking good. One thing they did do though is my license plate. They didn't get a new one, obviously. They just rebent it, and you could still see that it's cut right here from where the lady hit me, but everything else is good. Everything else is new pretty much too, except for the spoiler, but that is actually new too. Sorry for talking so much. It just finally got the car back. If you guys are also interested in a t-shirt as well, guys, my new website is up. It's jonathanharder.com. check it out. New t-shirts, black and white. Or you can follow me on Instagram as well. And also I give you sneak peeks of the rear bumper as well on Instagram. So if you guys want to keep up to date and give you sneak peeks, follow me on Instagram. Hope you guys liked this video as much as I did. It was such a great time. Like it's time to celebrate, boy, I tell you what. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, smash the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel,